Been a few days. I'm fixing to do the next part of making the Bokashi, adding the sugar and the milk. But let's look at this rice wash one last time. I'm just going to do a quick, went from 40 to 100 to 400. We're just going to skip straight down to 400. Make this quick. And you can see it's fairly active. So this is basically what we're starting with. I'm still not sure. I thought I cleaned these slides off even better than normal. But this is what we're starting with for adding taking a sample of it and then adding it to the sugar and the milk. Curious. I don't know if I can find that thing right in the middle. Let's see if I can go to 600. So this is at 600 dry. So this is what we're starting with. It's been about a week. It's probably been a day or two longer than it should have been, but I wasn't here. I actually was able to get away from the house for a day or so. But I will link 2 or 3 videos, different people that are doing this same process. They may do it slightly different, but the general combination's the same. I'll link those down there below if you want a little bit more information.